5 tips for using Readyhubb to attract new clients. Here is what you're going to do to make your business stand out. 1. Enhance your profile. Make sure you use high quality photos and have a welcoming bio that explains who you are, what you do, and makes people want to book with you. 2. Use relevant keywords. Incorporate keywords like makeup artist or hairstylist in your business to help improve search engine visibility. 3. Set competitive prices. Check out other businesses and offer attractive pricing. Bonus points if you offer a new client discount. 4. Encourage reviews. Ask satisfied clients to leave positive reviews to boost your credibility. Remember that reviews are everything. They help other clients decide if they're going to book with you or not. 5. Make your booking policy clear. Your booking policy should be professional and easy to understand. If you're struggling with any of these things, did you know that Readyhubb is one of the only apps to provide hands-on support? You can call or text them anytime. Download the app to grow your business today. It's free.